Listen, I need to make a fruit spread before summer's over. I need to do it. So if you want to see it, keep watching. Sorry if I sounded a little mean in my intro, but man, oh man, I thought summer's almost over and I haven't really done a fruit spread. Not really. And now I have Live Love Posh Fruits and Florals, my favorite Live Love Posh sticker book ever, and it came in the Fruits and Florals box. I did a whole flip through on that and I will link it for you. But this is beautiful. This is a beautiful sticker book. Let's just get to it. Another thing I got in that box was this really cute sticky notepad with lemon. It's like lemons. It's lemons. And the first thing I thought of was I really need to use this in a spread. I just do. So I'm going to use these as like boxes for the days, I think. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. But like quick flip through. Like, come on. Beautiful. But this is the one I'm going to be using because I think it's just so pretty. I love the blues and the yellows together. It just feels right. So we're going to do it. So this is for the week of August 22nd to the 28th. It's in my Big Happy Planner. So this is what I'm going to do. I don't know exactly where I'm going to put these lemons, but we're going to put them around. Like, just put them around. The first thing I'm going to do is take this border here because I really like it. When I was doing that flip through and looking at that sticker book, I thought that is really cute. And I wanted to use it, so I'm going to use it first thing before I forget. Look, it's like a corner border. How cute. I love blue and yellow spreads, so I kind of want to put it here, like along the line for some reason. I was planning on putting it on the edge, but I sort of like it here. Then we have like another one here, but we also have this one. I could do it on the other side, but I think on the other side I don't want it to be too symmetrical, so I'm just going to use a little strip. And I'll put it like right here. I don't know why I feel that way. I just don't like it when things are too matchy-matchy because it makes me feel uncomfortable. Is anyone else like that? Yeah, and that's a little crooked. I don't really care. It's just my planner. I don't really have a plan yet, you guys, but I'm just sort of winging it, as we know. And that's okay to do. For you and me, right? But I kind of like the idea of the lemons up here. Let's just put the lemons in first. So this is sticky on the top because it's a sticky note. Wait, for some reason my glue stick is not working. Let's get another one. This is Sakura, I don't know if I say that right. Sakura Quick Glue pen. I'm just gonna sort of draw with it, right? Around the outside, around the outside, around the outside. And put it down. And it just sticks like magic in my planner. This time I'm gonna take this off so it's a little easier. You could also use a Tombow mono adhesive or another glue pen. I just wouldn't suggest using a glue stick, but you can if you are in a pinch. I mean, why not? It's just, I'm afraid it's gonna show through if it's like one of those purple ones. Okay, all right, so I have 2 big lemons there. 2 big lemons. Now, we're gonna put another lemon on the other side, at least one, probably more than one. But I don't really know where to put them. So those are gonna be boxes. That's gonna be like a Monday box. That's probably gonna be a Wednesday. But I'll know. I will know which day it is, you know. I'm just gonna put a couple here, I guess. You know, like that. Oh, look. I looked over and I had these blue scissors there, and I had the yellow scissors. And the white. Let's use another one. It's a Saturday box. I have 2 there, you guys. Oops. Now, we have some big lemons here. Awesome. I think I might put oranges in here too, only because I have these washi tapes, which I thought would be really fun, but I don't know yet. First, let's look at this. So we have this corner with the lemon. I mean, that's nice. That's nice. Why don't we put this down? I don't know. Uh-oh, it went off the page, but we'll have to cut off the curly Q. It's okay. It's all right. How about a bowl of lemons? Yeah, a bowl of lemons. Where do we put it though? Would it sit here? Maybe. Maybe. Maybe we just put it down here at the bottom. All right. Thank you for deciding for me. That was my mental telepathy. So we have green in here, so we're gonna have to do that too. Listen, you guys, I don't know if I'm gonna use any other boxes. Don't be mad. I just don't know if I want them. I don't know, because I'm gonna put lines in, and I feel like maybe I want it simple. Maybe I want it simple. I always say that though, and it doesn't happen, but maybe this time will be different. Let's do some lines though over here on Monday. This one got weird. So my daughter Heather is home from Germany. Right now I'm filming this on Thursday before you watch this. And I'm like so bummed because it's almost time for her to go home. She leaves on Sunday, you guys. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. It went so fast. I love having her here. We went into the city. Me and Heather and Allie and Kaylee went into the city, which is Philadelphia, for just a swanky hotel night. We just were like, let's just go and hang out. You know what I mean? Maybe I want, where do I want these? I can't really put lines here. So I guess I'll put some here and here. We just went and hung out at like a really nice hotel, and we went for a steak dinner. I blew a lot of money, but we made some good memories, and I'm really glad that we did it. It was just for a night. We went shopping and stuff. It was just really fun and chill and nice to hang out with my daughters. So really glad we did that. It's getting to be that time where she's got to go back to Germany, and I don't know when I'm going to see her next. It will probably not be until, oh man, maybe next summer. Like, it could be almost a year, and that's so sad. I hate that. I hate it. But I am going to make a trip out to Germany. I just don't know when. Nothing is like totally planned yet. So I think it'll happen. It's just it's a matter of figuring out when and all that stuff. I like this too. I like this box. I also kind of like this box too. This is neat. Look at that. It's fancy. Let's just put it here. I don't really know why I'm putting these things where I'm putting them, but I'm just putting them. There you go. That's my explanation. Okay, how about a little butterfly? A little blue butterfly flying around the lemons. And then we have random lemons too that have to be put in here somewhere, right? Somewhere. How about, wait, if we did this? Just a little lemons at the top here. Cutie pie. And wait, there's other pages I'm neglecting. Ooh, these pages, like these leaves are so fun. I really like these because they look like little doodles, kind of. We all know I like doodles. Uh-oh, I need my tweezers. Okay, just put some leaves up here for fun. All right, yeah. Yes. So anyway, I'm very grateful that Heather got to come home, and we had fun this week. We set up Allie's classroom. It's still being set up, but we helped Allie a lot with her classroom. She's teaching 4th grade this year. So we went and like did a whole bunch of stuff over there. And let me tell you, I've never done that before. And that was like in my wheelhouse. Like, it totally felt good because, you know, like just cutting things out and putting them up on the wall and like figuring out organizational stuff, and you know, it was really fun. And also she's using some Happy Planner wallpaper in her classroom, and as soon as it's done I will post a picture on Instagram. But I had a whole bunch left over from my room here, and so I told her she could use it. Look, let's put this bird on top of the lemon. Where else can you put a bird on a lemon except in your planner? Okay, I'm going to pause for a second because I do want just a long sidebar box, so I'll be right back. I found a yellow one in the Mega Colorful Boxes book. So I'm gonna put this down. Uh-oh. It's real close to being too big. Let me see. I can sort of put this on top of it, but let's see if we can make it fit. No, that's okay. We will put this here, and then, like I said, I'll move that leaf. I'll put it on top. Don't go down. Can we do it, folks? Can we do it? Yes, we can. Oh, we can kind of do it. Let's just rip it a little. There we go. I'm okay with that. Oh, it's not even going like right on it. That's okay. That's good. Okay. That's also slightly crooked, but like I said, my planner, so no worries here. I'm almost actually done. I know, crazy. This was quick, but I told you, I want to just put big lemons on and not be so boxy this time. You know, I use a lot of boxes in my planner, and sometimes I think maybe I don't want to, you know, maybe I just want to do something different for a change. And that's what I'm doing. I'm going to put some lemons here. Why not? On the top of that. Okay. Maybe we need another one of those vases, right? I don't think the blue, because I think that's too much. I think it's too much blue. But I don't really want the lemons either, because I already have it there. So we do have this one, but it's pink. This one's orange. I don't really want to bring in oranges like I thought. How about this little tree? That's fun. Let's do a lemon tree. We'll put it right here on Thursday. Okay, I'm going to pop out that hole with the crocodile punch like this, so it'll fit in my planner. All right, let's see, what else can we put in here? So fun. These are so fun. We could put another butterfly. There's this one. That one, should we? There's also these little bows. That's fun. What if we put this little lemon branch on top of a lemon? I know that seems absurd. But only in Plannerland can we put lemons on top of lemons on top of lemons. Here's one with a bird, but that bird's already there. I know I didn't name the bird. The first thing that came to mind was Susie. I think I repeat names, you know, when I do that. But that's Susie. She's hanging on a lemon. I'm not going to name the butterfly. It's a bug. No, thank you. What else? We need to put something on top of that lemon too. Maybe a little leaf thingy. A blue leaf thingy. No more lemons on top of lemons, but leaves on top of lemons. It's a little weird. That's a weird one. I don't know if I like that. And then a bow. We have a bow. A blue bow is going to go on top of the other lemon that's like sad because he doesn't have any sticker on top of him. If lemons had feelings, that's what he's thinking, because we'll put a bow there and decorate the lemon. Okay, that one still looks weird to me, so do we want to switch that up? Honestly, it really doesn't matter that much, but we could add another leaf, I guess. To kind of bring it around to something more fun. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this lemon situation. The leaf situation. All right, that's okay, I guess. That's better, I think. All right, so over here is a little odd, but you guys, I'm used to like so much decoration. I'm not gonna go crazy this time. I really am not. I think it's so fun as it is. So let's just make sure we're not gonna use anything else. Here's a little, you know, I could put a little bit of this up there. I have another one. Why don't we do that? We can cut it. So this box is still available, and I will link in the description. You can't use my code Bumble10 on, oh, why am I putting it there? I'm losing my mind. You can't use code Bumble10 on the Fruits and Florals box or any limited edition boxes that Live Love Posh puts out. But my code will apply to anything else you have in your cart that is not, you know, box related. So that looks weird there, doesn't it? What if I put a little lemon to just close it? So yeah, so check that out. I will link it for you. They are still available as of the time of this filming, which is Thursday, like I said. So hopefully by the time you're watching this, they will still be available. But if not, I do believe Jessica, Live Love Posh's owner, I think she said that the sticker book will be available on its own. I really am not sure. If you know, you can leave it in the comments. I didn't check before this video, but there's a possibility she will be putting the sticker book out on its own. I would suggest getting the box because it's so fun. You get a lot of little fruit type products in there, and I think it's really worth it. It's $49.99, I think, for the box. So I think it's worth it. I think it is. That looks kind of cute there, actually. Because you get a lot of stuff. You get the sticker book. You've got like a pen and like washi tapes. Like you get these washies. Like they're so fun. And some clips. You get this really cute pen pouch with, oh, and then that pin and these clips and stuff. Really cute. So you can check that out. But there's my lemon spread. What do you guys think? My end of summer lemon spread. I think it's adorable. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. Be gentle, please. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.